quick little video, throwing some slip-ons on the bike. Picked these up from a guy that I sold a seat to. Pop those off, pop those on, get rid of the stock ones, add on some slanty boys. Also bought this shift lever, well, shifter arm for the one that I bent and kind of bent back from the crash. So I've had this sit on the shelf for a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this too because my shifter peg location is a little out of whack. Nothing to it but to do it. Let's go. Okay, let's get to it. First thing up on the list is going to be go ahead and taking out the shift lever, shifter arm, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out first, then do the exhaust, and then see how it sounds. Go take it for a rip. Out with the old and in with the new. Man, was I way off on that bend. Okay, now that we got the shift lever done, we got the shifter on, looking good, in a good spot. I had it sitting up a little too high from the bends, and you can see where it was wearing my foot up here instead of on the toe. So, real good thing to get that switched out. Much more comfortable shifting. Now it's time to jump on the slip-ons. I went ahead and polished these up last night. They were a little worse for wear, being secondhand, but they shined up real nice with just a little bit of polish and rub down. And I did not get that on video because this ain't OnlyFans. I ain't about to sit there and let you watch me polish my pipes. I'm married. Back up. We got to get those off. I went ahead and hit them with some PB blasters so we can loosen them up. I'm gonna take a ugga-dugga to them and see if we can get it off. Wish me luck. Should we start it up without the pipes on just to see what happens, maybe? See how loud it can really get. That's so loud. My neighbors are probably like, oh, that ain't gonna fly in this neighborhood. But I guess the slip-ons will be a little bit quieter. Here we go. Sounds good. Just test fitting the pipes. I had to remove or loosen the heat shield to slide it up to be able to get these into place. And then I'll just bring the heat shield back down and strap it down and we'll be good to go. And it's dark outside, but we got it done. It's a little bit difficult. Just the positioning. This bike was definitely laid down on its right side at one point, and some things were a little out of whack. I had to bend back in place, but all in all, we got it on. Let's check it out. Just nice little slip-ons. Nice little cutouts. Let's see how they sound before my neighbors get ready for bed. bad. Not bad for just some slip-ons. I like it. I like the rumble. Gotta remember to get my magnet tray off of here. I don't know what I'm talking about. It sounds good. I'm glad I got them. It was a pain and a half to swap them out, but I'm glad that I got them. It's a nice little sound to get rid of the stock pipes. So I'm gonna polish my pipes in private, pervert. And then I'm gonna wait till daytime tomorrow to do the drive-by audio. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. As you can see, freshly cleaned, trimmed. Gonna do a little drive-by sound test like we did with the stock pipes and compare the two. Not sure if you're gonna be able to tell a difference filming this all with my iPhone. So thanks for coming with me on this. Super excited to ride today. I'm gonna head down to LabCanna. They're doing a special event for 420 coming up on Tuesday with Daddy's Dogs here in Nashville. I'll leave their links in the description below, as well as their Instagrams if you feel like checking them out for any of your CBD or hot dog needs in the Nashville area. I'm rocking that new Sabina Kelley Speed Shop shirt that she's got up now. Pretty sweet, so I'll also link her stuff in the description so you can go check her out. She's a good friend. But yeah, let's get started and get set up on this drive-by. And there you have it. That's the new pipes, or new slip-ons, I should say. Now it's time to head down and eat some dogs at LabCanna's Wake and Bake event. See you guys on the next one.